Let's take a look at the imbalanced dataset problem. For the first lecture, I want to show you some signs of imbalanced dataset problem. Because it is hard to detect sometimes. Actually, if you are beginner to machine learning, deep learning, both of these concepts, if you are new to it, probably you don't understand the uh, signs of imbalanced datasets since you get very high accuracy at the beginning. And this is a common problem of machine learning and deep learning. And let's say that you want to detect spam emails and you have the data and the features and you are new to machine learning, deep learning or convolutional neural networks. And also I should indicate that you can train numeric data with convolutional neural networks. It doesn't only train images. Well, actually, you are new to, let's say, in these areas. You are new in these areas and you want to detect spam emails and you have the data and you have the features and you didn't care about the class ratios or are there any balance between them or are these classes equally distributed. You do not have this knowledge, you do not know to check it. So you train your convolutional neural network or machine learning architecture and you get 99% of accuracy, and this should be perfect actually because you get very good accuracy and probably you should have no problem in detecting spam emails because you get a very good level of accuracy and you think that my machine learning algorithm is good, I don't need to uh, improve it. So, and then you go to the application, you try to predict emails, whether they are spam or not, and you see that in every prediction you get no spam emails. So there are no spam emails in your predictions, even only one, and you get the answer of majority class. So for the every mail you get that the email is not spam, and your neural network architecture, let's say that these emails do not have any spam according to my knowledge. But you know that there is a spam emails in your data. Well, very high accuracy but very bad predictions. So why is the reason? Reason of high accuracy is that your model exactly focused on the 98% of the data and which is not spam. And the reason for the error, the 2% error, is the spam emails that your CNN architecture can't classify. So your CNN architecture will give the same prediction for all the uh, input, and it will classify every element, every prediction. It will classify every sample as a majority class, which means spam in our example. Well, this is the idea that you should be careful about, since it's hard to detect at the beginning, and when you try to predict something, and if your project is important, you should also check some of the metrics, and also you should also see the how the classes are distributed in your dataset.